Hello everyone, it's Mari from Mari's Miscellany. I'm glad you're here. This is where I learn, make, and share different techniques for handmade gifts and crafts. Your resin kit will contain clear resin in the white package, a mold, gloves, red, blue, and yellow colored resin, jewelry findings, 3 mixing cups, and 3 mixing sticks. First, you're going to want to put some clear resin into the mold and in a very thin layer and cure that. And then add some more clear resin and add some drops of the colored resin and then swirl them around into whatever kind of a pattern that you want. So in this demonstration, I am backing the pieces with some black resin. This works really well to highlight the colors and really make them pop. But I found that the thick black resin doesn't cure as easily. It's actually easier just to paint the back whatever color that you want. So here's some different pieces that I made. Some of them have the black background and some of them have no background. They're just clear with, I have yellow and red and some white in this piece here. And here are some other pieces that I did. You don't have to use the clear as the main color. You can definitely pick one of the other colors. Just understand that sometimes the colored resin takes longer to cure. Thank you for joining me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, share all of that good fun stuff so I can grow the channel and bring y'all more handmade gifts and crafts. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other.